Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Market quite flat. Bitcoin pumping about 2%. Altcoins running a little bit. Tech stocks up a little bit, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade activated more yesterday. So now the trade is getting quite big, 2.5 Bitcoin. We're going to go into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I want to look at Google tech stock. Oh no, I did it Google yesterday. I'll look at Nvidia or Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any tickers you'd like me to analyze, let me know in the comment section down below. If you make money from me, remember, hire social media marketers, push messages of peace and anti-war, and try to protect your capital. Rule number 1 by Warren Buffett, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. My Bitcoin trade currently up. You can see where my trade's activated. I sold at 109, then bought at 107 and 106, 500. And then I added more at 108. And now we're at 110. We went up to 111. Funding fee is even. It's flat. It's not negative and it's not positive, which is interesting. My Bitcoin trade 2.5 Bitcoin is now $3,500 in profits, which is beautiful. It's 13th. I used $91 to make $3,500, which is amazing. And that trade is now active from, I think it's been about 38 hours or something. I've got 110,200 followers. I'm again shadow banned on X, which is usual as normal, which sucks. This was me in 2024, in August, July. After Bitcoin halving, if this pattern continues, the top would be in Monday, 13th of October, 2020, which was very close. 3 support areas where I would buy Tesla. And you can see another Bitcoin trade activated 11 hours ago. And 1 day ago, Doji candle on 4-hourly Bitcoin taking long for everyone asking bots on the website. And I went long. That was 1 day ago, and that played out where those trades activated, and now we're at 109. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin. Uni was up 4%, Boeing was up, Tesla was up 2% on their earnings, Bitcoin was up 2%, total market up 2%, Nvidia 1%, Ethereum 1%, rest of the market quite flat or down. Bitcoin 109,980. Let's go on to the weekly charts. Weekly, the stochastic is trying to turn up, which is interesting to see. Stochastic is now turning up. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy. Crypto Guru Bot, you get it in the master course, jamescryptoguru.com on the website. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell on the weekly, didn't fire a buy. On the daily, stochastic is oversold, turning up. Squeeze mob has gone gray. That's why it went from red to gray, and that usually marks the bottom. If you see here, you'll see with me now. Now the squeeze mob turning gray here. The last time the squeeze mob turned gray, here you can see mark the bottom with the stochastic oversold. The time before that, here where it went from red, see on the bottom on the stochastic, red to gray, mark the bottom. So you can see this pattern, and you can see the overall bigger pattern. We still got to be cautious because there is still a rising wedge, but we got to bounce off that trend line, and stochastic is heading up on the daily from very oversold and on the 4-hourly, which is good to see. 4-hourly charts, let's see. We had an 18% correction on Bitcoin, which is very big actually for a correction. It's a huge drop, 18%. We've got a pattern here. We've got some kind of pattern forming here. It's a symmetrical triangle is forming on Bitcoin, which the breakout should be 70% of the move. So sometime around this area here, on the 26th of October, we're going to get some kind of move. So in 2 days. And the direction should be with the overall trend, which right now is just sideways. So could be either way, actually. The base of the triangle is the direction that we would move. So if we measure this distance, and it won't confirm till we know which way it breaks out. So whichever way, what you're waiting for is a confirmation. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So say we measure... If we head down that way, if we head up, try and get it. Okay, I'll just redraw it. Hard to select all these different lines. And then if we head up this way, and we'll get a confirmation on this around here, around 25th of October. So we'll get a confirmation. What you're waiting for is you want to see a pattern like this. So it'll be symmetrical triangle, builds pressure, and then it breaks out. It retests, and that will make the confirmation. So it's either going to retest, and I'm leaning towards up, so I'm going to get rid of this down one, but wait for the retest and then the confirmation about the direction. Stochastic is oversold. If you're not in a trade yet, I would take a long from stochastic turning down on the 4-hourly, but starting to head up on the daily. I would take a long from the support, which is now sitting around here, 106. 104 this is a riskier trade, I would say, and then taking it to the target. Risk towards 16 times $1,000 to make $17,000. 10x leverage would be 170,000. And the safer trade I would take off this main trend line, and you can see it more when we zoom out, that bigger rising triangle, rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern, so we've got to be careful. But safer point to take the trade, I would say, would be from here, 103. And then that same target. I'll take it all the way. 24 risk to reward ratio, 937 to make $22,000 without leverage. 10x leverage will be 220,000. I'm going to leave it at just Bitcoin right now. I'm currently in my trade, 3,300 in profits, 2.5 Bitcoin. So it's now a $271,000 trade. I'm going to also activate it on WeX. Ah, it's already active. Oh, cool. It spiked down and activated the trade. I forgot I had it active, which is beautiful. It came down and activated. I had the trade at 107, and then we got it bounce to 109, which is beautiful. I have another trade set at 100K, and this one that I forgot about is now $500 in profits, which is beautiful. And this one is $3,300 in profits. Congratulations, anyone that saw those trades. It's only been 1 day. It's only been 1 day since I posted those trades. Sized 1 day, which is great. And then I sized up yesterday about 14 hours ago. Then 11 hours ago, added more to the trade. Join us in the Telegram. There's 187 of you online. People discussing, sharing charts. This guy went short. Not a good idea. He would have already been hit stop loss probably. People discussing. People sharing charts. Take the puppet strings off and live the life as you want. You can see, join them in the conversation. 187 of you online right now, and all the links are under the video down below. Bybit 60k bonus, main exchange for trading, best liquidity, lowest fees. WeX is private KYC free exchange, so you can trade from anywhere in the world. $200 bonus on sign up, and join the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading, and take the courses to set up the charts and learn everything the way you're seeing me do. And you can see some comments from students. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. I'm up 122,000 on my investment, almost double. My portfolio hit $1 million. And you can see many comments like this, which is just beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Let's read some of your messages. Yesterday's video, 7 of 10. Please never stop doing videos. Thanks for always updating us. You're welcome. Thank you, James, for all you do. You should go to the barber as soon as possible. What happened to you? I love my hair. Man without a beard is like a woman with a beard. Good morning, legend. Trading is easy under your guidance. Today you are looking more smart and energetic. You're a great man. Thank you, everyone. Bro, I'm broke for waiting Black Friday to buy your courses. Learn, just watch my videos for free, everyone. Make gains and then use it to buy the courses. Or it's not so much you should be, if you have zero like this, you need to be making multiple jobs. I would be working multiple jobs. That's my updates in the market. I hope you have a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up and turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Rule number 1 by Warren Buffett, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.